In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a copy of a Google Drive folder. While Google Drive is a fantastic tool for storing and organizing files, you might find yourself needing to duplicate a folder, perhaps to make a backup or to share an identical set of files with someone else. However, as of now, there's no direct feature to copy entire folders in Google Drive, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of doing this manually. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Google Drive. Open your web browser and head over to Google Drive by entering the URL drive.google.com. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your Drive's layout if you haven't already. Since creating a direct duplicate of a folder isn't an option, we'll begin by making a new folder. Look for the New button, usually found on the left-hand side of the screen, and give that a click. A menu will drop down and you'll want to select New Folder. Now before you create this folder, think about how you want to name it. You might want to name it something similar to the original, maybe adding copy to the end of the folder name for easy identification. Once you've decided, go ahead and type in the name and hit create. With your new folder ready, the next step is to open the folder whose contents you want to copy. Navigate your Drive to locate this folder and then open it by double clicking on it. Once inside, you'll need to select all the files present. An easy way to do this is by using the keyboard shortcut. Hold down the Control key, CMD on Mac, and press A. This will highlight all the files for you. Now, with everything selected, copy the files using another keyboard shortcut, Control and C, CMD and C for Mac users. Now let's move on to the next part, which is pasting the copied files into the new folder you created. To do this, you'll need to return to the main page of Google Drive by clicking on My Drive on the sidebar. Navigate to the new folder that you just created, open it, and then it's time to paste all those files into this folder. You can do this quickly by using the shortcut Control and V or CMD and V on a Mac. This will paste all the files into the new folder, effectively creating a copy of the original folder's contents. And there you go, you now have a duplicated folder within Google Drive. This method ensures that all your files are neatly copied over, and you can now manage them separately from the original folder. As always, make sure to organize and name your folders in a way that makes sense to you. Happy organizing, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.